Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 only lasts for about 5 minutes on a full charge, it's likely that the battery has reached the end of its lifespan. This can happen due to regular usage and age, and if not addressed promptly, you may find your device becomes unusable, leaving you with a less efficient cleaning experience. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery for the Dyson V8, and a soft cloth to protect your device during the process. To begin, ensure that your Dyson V8 is disconnected from the power source and turned off. Start by removing the dustbin and any attachments. Next, locate the battery release button, usually found near the bottom of the handle. Press this button to release the battery pack from the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the battery pack removed, take your Phillips screwdriver and carefully unscrew the screws holding the battery in place. Be gentle while doing this to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the battery away from the connectors. When replacing the battery, ensure that the new one is aligned correctly with the connectors and gently push it into place. Secure the battery with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly forced, as this could damage the plastic housing. Before reassembling, check that all connections are secure and that no wires are pinched. Now, slide the battery pack back into the handle until it clicks into place. Reattach the dustbin and any other components you previously removed. To verify that your Dyson V8 is functioning correctly, turn it on and check if it runs smoothly without interruptions. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to store your Dyson in a cool, dry place and avoid leaving it on charge for extended periods when not in use. This will help prolong the life of the battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.